Alright fellas, in this video I will show you to fix battery icon missing in Windows 10. We will see an easy method to fix missing icon issue. This solution not only works with battery icon missing from Windows but also the other icons like Wi-Fi and sound. So as you can see, the battery icon is missing from my taskbar. There may be a possibility that battery icon was turned off from system setting in taskbar. In order to check this, right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. Now find turn system settings on and off and click on it. Once you go inside, you will see the list of icons to turn off and on. As you can see, the battery icon is grayed out here too. It means there must be some issue with the Windows Explorer. Now in order to fix this problem, open Task Manager and find Windows Explorer. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. Now your Windows Explorer will restart and all of your missing icons will appear in taskbar again. So that's it guys. If you found this solution helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. And comment down below if you face any problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.